Good afternoon guys, just a quick update from Bookends Allotments today. Just a few reviews really. We've ordered some dahlias from a company called Famer Gracy. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you what they're like, the dahlias. Recommended to me by one of the other allotmenteers and my nephew's wife. While I'm in here, I'll just show you what's going on in the greenhouse at the moment. So these are some of the squashes and pumpkins we've got coming up. They're a little bit mixed in slowness, but that's fine. We can deal with that, no problem. These are some surplus tomatoes that I've got. And these are some more. The Queensland Blue pumpkin at the back there. That one is not germinating, so I'm going to have a look, see what else I've got, and plant some of those up. These, however, are doing really well, which are Fireball F1s. They're the stripy ones, they'd be quite nice. Sweet corn, bit of a hit and miss with those at the moment. I'm hoping they'll come up. The ones at the back here, these are the Indian sweet corn. These are the ones that you use for popcorn. And these are some incredible F1s, sweet corn as well. Some more peas to go out. My leeks are looking fabulous at the moment. And then these are our cucumbers ready to go out. I've got some more potting up to do today, so I will bring you along, show you what we're up to today, and keep you posted. See you in a bit. So guys, this is what I've ordered from Famer Gracy. This is just our review. We've not been sponsored or anything. I just thought I'd show you what we've ordered. As you can see, the order was placed on the 20th of April and it came the other day. But then it does come from the Netherlands, so there you go. So I've just opened the box, and inside the box you will see there are plenty of packages. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get Mike to hold the camera for me, and then I'll show you what condition these are in. I'll catch you in a minute. Right, so I just wanted to show you, this is what you get in the box, a nice little envelope with a little postcard, and there's also a little leaflet on your dahlias. They don't just sell dahlias, it's just what we wanted to order. So I'm going to open them up now to show you. So these ones I've selected for the allotment. The others in the box are going home. So this one's called Poo Swan Island.
Poo Swan, poo.
So there's one in here, and what we'll do is each of them I'll put pictures up so you can see what they're like.
That's the tubers, isn't it?
Yeah, these are the tubers.
Okay.
So I'm going to plant them up on the allotment. So this is platinum blonde, beautiful cream one this is, with petals that's like laid back on it, absolutely gorgeous. And again it says it likes part shade or full sun, so nice and versatile. And look at the little bits of growth on that.
That's lovely. Yeah,
that's
will
nice.
Do well.
Nice one. Brilliant.
I think it's time for a coffee.
The next one is called Alan Minnow.
I'll zoom into that so people can see. There we go. We may not be pronouncing it just right, but hey-o.
This is one of Mike's. He picked this one because this is a white and pink one. Not such a big one, this one isn't, but there's still some nice little growths on it.
Yeah, looks good.
So that's another one. And the last one for the allotment is called Happy Perfect. Again, part shade, full sun.
Bit like me, perfect.
And yeah, okay. And then the other, its colours is pink, yellow, and cream. So I think this was one that you wanted, wasn't it?
Yes, again.
Again, these are I like the big blazy ones myself, which I've got for home. Oh, that's nice big ones.
Yeah, quite large tubers on that, yeah. Not a growth, yeah.
Those
we'll be going in today.
We'll be going in today. So the ones I've got for home, and this is a massive, the size of it, it's called Cafe Latte, and it's a very pale pinky creamy colour.
It's a size bigger than your hand, isn't it, on the pictures?
It's a 10-inch flower head.
10-inch, that's good.
So I've got 3 of those.
We will convert that into centimetres for your younger viewers, but us older ones work in feet and inches.
And then Hootenan's Swan Island. This is a real deep red, magenta red. That one's going home. And then the last one is Fairway Spur. So these are all the ones that are going home. This is salmon pink and peach colour. Which
the photographs will be put on with them, so you can actually see what they look like. From Famer Gracy's. Is it the Netherlands it's in?
Yes.
It's in the Netherlands, right. Okay. That'll keep me busy at home, okay. Rightio, that's it for the moment.
So guys, the other thing I wanted to show you is our new frames that we've had. We've been collecting these over the last few years, and you probably can't see too much through the netting, but I'll open this clip up and show you. So we get most of our frames from a company called Gardening Naturally. Absolutely brilliant. We've had them for the last few years, to be honest. So this is our new P-frame structure. You'll also see that we've got something else in the middle, which is there, which are pheromone pea moth traps, which we've decided we're going to try this year. So I thought I would just show you. I don't know whether you can see too much, and I'll poke you through so you can see. So there you go, there's the peas. Got a few more to go in that very bottom bit, but as you can see, they're all looking lovely at the moment. See you in a bit. So, following on from, like I say, Gardening Naturally, which is where we get these frameworks from. This is my brassica, or one of my brassica beds, but I love this because it's so tall. It just works perfectly. Brussels sprouts are at the very bottom end. Then we've got some red cabbages, which is looking brilliant. Then we've got some broccoli, and then we've got some cauliflower. Only a few really this year, but I'm going to do some more successional sowing, so that's perfect and they're good sizes. So guys, this is the other frame that we have. It's a walking cage really, essentially, again from Gardening Naturally. It did come with the jute twine, but if I'm honest, it just doesn't last, that doesn't. So we purchased this from good old eBay, and I've got the runner beans all in along the bottom there. So 2 varieties, and we use it so that we can actually walk through. We can walk through into the cage, as we call it, our bean frame. Let's try saying that after a glass of wine gums. But it's great because we can take the ones from the inside as well as the outside. Again, from Gardening Naturally, like I say, the only thing that we haven't used now for the last few years is the netting. So that's number 3 framework. I'll just show you the last one. So guys, the last one we've got from Gardening Naturally are these pea frames. Again, we've changed the netting because of what it came with. It's just the jute stuff, it just collapses really fine. So there we go. Again, we've got the nematodes. Sorry, pheromones, I should say, in there. And then these are the alderman peas. So these do grow at a fair old size. They get to about 6 foot. So these are absolutely perfect for it, these frames. So I have four sides of the frame and structure. And again, I call that nematodes. They're not, it's pheromones. So it's to deter the pea moth, because we had so much damage last year from the peas. We thought we'd try these this year. Okay guys, see you in a bit. So as you can see, we don't just have the frames that we've purchased. We did acquire this Harris fencing, which I'm using one on one plot and two on the other one to make a framework up. But yeah, we will link below Gardening Naturally. I'm sure most of you have heard of them, but I will link them below because they are very good. And also I'll link Famer Gracy as well. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye.